Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm The Natural One and this is another one stop watch video. You guys, this is week 15 mint. Look how well my mint is doing. Last week, week 14, my mint decided to flower. So I went ahead and took the liberty of cutting all the flowers off except for one. I left one to see if I would get some seeds because it won't hurt to actually have some seeds, right? So overall, my mint is doing good, you guys. Coming up is week 1 potatoes. I planted 2 potatoes with the little leg and 3 garlic cloves. Now I'm not sure if it was too soon to plant the garlic because I know garlic can take a long time. But anyway, this is what I have so far. I see the green leaves, so it's looking good. Next we have week 17 mystery seed. Now I had to readjust the mystery seed so it can grow around this tiki torch. Unfortunately, the female flower that was on the mystery seed did not get pollinated, so we have to wait a little bit longer to figure out what this could be. You guys, let's move on to the corn. This is week 16 corn in a milk crate with the cucumber. And so far, guys, I don't really know, okay? Yeah. I don't know. Like, I don't know if it's pollinated. I don't know if I don't know. I'm just going to make sure I keep watering it. But I've been taking those little wheat fingers off the little tassel and putting it on the silk when it was silky. Not, I don't listen. You see it, right? Overall, I would say the corn is doing good because it is there. You guys, my cucumber plant is doing so well. I did harvest another cucumber in addition to the one I had showed last week at the end of the video. Hopefully I do get some more cucumber, but let's get into week 20 seedlings. I did harvest 2 additional tomatoes in addition to the tomatoes that I shown at the end of last week one stop watch video. Now let's jump into this watermelon because the zucchini is a no-show, okay? The dill, as always, did good. I'm just showing that one dried out and went to seed. Now I will do a video on harvesting the dill seeds. Let's get into the radishes that I let go to seed, and I have a video coming out on how I harvest the radishes seed. As far as the winter squash, it is hanging on there by a thread. Moving on to the cauliflower that's been getting eaten to the stem again. Moving on to the tower, which consists of eggplants and different types of peppers. And look at my habanero peppers, you guys. I'm so excited. Now we have the herb garden, which I am letting the lettuce go to flower. The kale overall is doing good, and I think I'm going to harvest it soon. Here I'm trying to zoom in on the thyme because there was a spider there and you know I wasn't moving nothing, okay? Now let's get into the ginger, you guys. It looks so good. If you made it this far in a video, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on any of my updates. Be part of the fam here on YouTube, and for more videos like this, click here.